Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Our lesson today is about the throat or the halq, and it's the second major or main articulation point. The throat holds 3 articulation points or 3 makhrij, or we can say 6 letters as you can see, okay? And what are the letters of the throat? Okay, they are the letters of إظهار حلقي. They are the letters of إظهار حلقي. And what are the letters of إظهار حلقي? They are gathered in this phrase, which is أخي هاك علما هذه غير خاسر. We have 6 letters. We have همزة, ها, عين, حاء, غين, خاء. These are the letters of إظهار حلقي, and we call it إظهار حلقي because the 6 letters comes from the throat, comes from the حلق. So this is the reason why we called إظهار حلقي حلقي, because حلق means throat. So these 6 letters comes out from the throat. Okay, we have the deepest part, and we have the middle part, and we have the closest part. Okay, we can say the deepest part, we can say the bottom, and we can say this is the bottom, we can say this is the middle one, and this one is the top. Okay, so now let's start with the exit point of the hamza and ha. Okay, what is the exit point of the hamza and the ha? Which is the deepest part. The deepest part, as you can see here, this dark green area. Let's start with hamza a. When you say or a, it will come out from the dark green area, as you can see here, this dark green area. And also for ha, also ha, it's a light letter, and also it comes from the dark green area, which is the bottom. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, that's for hamza and ha. Now let's move to the middle of the throat, which is the exit point of the ayn and ha. Okay, let's start with ayn. When you say, for example, سيعلمون, سيعلمون, when you say, you will notice that the ayn is from the middle of the throat. Okay, from the middle of the throat, and the ayn is a light letter, and it's make sure to give it its complete time. سيعلمون, not سيعلمون, no, سيعلمون. Okay, so ayn is from the middle of the throat, as you can see here in this dark green area. Okay, now for ha, also it's from the middle of the throat, and this letter is characterized when you say for example بأحكم الحاكمين, بأحكم. You will notice that this letter is characterized by the release of air. So this is from ayn, this is for ayn and ha, from the middle part of the throat. Okay, now let's turn to the upper throat, which is the exit part of the ghain and kha. Kha, when you say, for example, ikh and igh, which one is closer to the mouth? Kha, ikh and igh. Try to say ikh and then try to say igh. Which one is closer to the mouth? Kha, ikh is closer to the mouth than ghain. So kha, when you say ikh, this one is characterized by the releasing of air, yes. And while ghain, you will feel like there is a vibration in the throat when you there is vibration in the throat when you pronounce the ghain. So ghain and kha, these are from the top or the closest part of the throat. So we have the deepest part, 2 letters, which is the hamza and ha, and the middle part, which is ayn and ha, and we have the closest part or the top of the throat, 2 letters, ghain and kha.